Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two high-end robotic vacuums, the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, or Sharky, and the Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum, aka Roborock. Let's dive in to see which one suits your needs better. First up, let's talk price. Sharky comes in at $549, making it the more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, Roborock is priced at $899. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Sharky is your go-to. But let's see if Roborock justifies that higher price tag. Next, let's talk about suction power. Sharky boasts incredible suction that reviewers say is great for picking up dirt and pet hair. But Roborock flexes its 5,500 pascals extreme suction, which some users describe as being able to pull wrinkles out of carpets. In this category, Roborock takes the win. Who wants to deal with dirt? Not me. Sharky has a self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Reviewers love this feature, but mention it requires frequent manual emptying. Roborock offers up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, although it holds only 5 liters of water. If you prefer a more independent vacuum, Roborock might be your new best friend. Now, let's get wet and wild. Mopping capability. Sharky is great for pet hair and dust, but doesn't mop. Roborock, however, comes with dual spinning mops that can scrub out tough stains. It even lifts its mops when it senses carpet, ensuring no soggy rugs. Roborock definitely mops the floor with Sharky on this one. When it comes to navigation, Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home and avoid obstacles. Reviewers appreciate its ability to avoid certain areas, but mention some limitations in room mapping. Roborock steps it up with reactive tech obstacle avoidance and 3D mapping technology, which users say can even detect and avoid potential hazards. So if you want a vacuum that can almost see into the future, Roborock is your guy. Overall, reviewers find Sharky to be a reliable and budget-friendly option, especially for pet owners and new parents. Roborock, on the other hand, is praised for its advanced features and powerful suction, making it worth the higher price for those looking for a more autonomous cleaning experience. So, there you have it. If you're budget-conscious and want a reliable vacuum, Sharky is a solid choice. But if you're ready to splurge for advanced features, Roborock is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Product links are in the description. Stay clean, Buy Smart fam.